On this episode of Fast Fix, is going to be dealing with the Skytrek model 6042, 8042, and the 154. Dealing with anything inside the cab like lights, wipers, or even some of the functions responding kind of slow, or even, I've been told, it even causes fuses to pop on some of the circuits. What we're finding on these is the ground inside the cab, when they install them from the factory, has enough paint on the ground lug that even the star washer doesn't make good contact, causing high resistance. So I'm going to show you where this is at. So if you're having weird electrical gremlins on all the cab functions, start here first. Alright, inside the cab there's a panel here mounted to your right leg while sitting in the seat. 5 bolts attach it. Behind it you will find the fuse panel and a relay and all the electrical inside here. Now, the grounds we were talking about are fuse panel below it back here. So we've got 2 ground lugs, 1, 2. Now the cab is painted orange from the factory and they assemble it and they do put a star washer behind it. But we've had a large number of machines with electrical issues and come to find out after chasing our tail for quite a while, clean the paint off these 2 areas here, reinstall and torque the fasteners. It does take care of a lot of the electrical gremlins on these machines. So before you burn up a lot of time, this is a quick little thing you can try and hopefully that will repair the problems you are having. Again, thanks for watching, and anything else you like what you see, please subscribe, and any questions or thoughts or things you have troubles with, let me know. See if I can help. Thanks again for watching. This doesn't happen without you watching this. If you could, please subscribe. Keep me going. Like I said, send me some more information on what you have. Maybe I've got the solution. Thanks again for watching.